Hey there, it's Sarah. Are you ever curious if a younger woman is really into you, or if it's just friendly banter? Today, we're going to break down the not-so-obvious signs that she's interested in something more than friendship. These clues aren't always straightforward, but by the end of this video, you'll be equipped to recognize the key signals. Before we begin, for anyone feeling stuck in the dating world, check out our free 60-minute coaching call. You'll find the link in the description or pinned comment. Now let's get started and unravel these cues together. 1. Meaningful conversations. When a younger woman is genuinely interested in more than just friendship with an older man, one of the first signs is her eagerness to dive into meaningful conversations. She isn't just making small talk. She's keen on discussing big, thought-provoking topics. Politics, philosophy, the environment, you name it. This isn't about casual chatter. She values what you've learned from life and is all ears for the stories and insights you bring to the table. Why does this matter? It's a sign of respect and admiration. She sees you not just as a companion, but as someone from whom she can learn, someone whose experiences enrich her understanding of the world. Engaging in these deeper discussions also builds a unique connection between you two. It's different from the everyday interactions she might have with others her age. This dynamic can be incredibly flattering. It's refreshing to feel that your perspectives are not only appreciated, but sought after. And it's not just about boosting your ego. It's about sharing a bond that's intellectually stimulating and emotionally satisfying. If you find yourself in conversations with a younger woman that regularly go beyond the surface, consider it a green light that she values and desires more from your interactions. 2. Thoughtful gestures. These are one of the clearest indicators she's looking for more than just a casual connection. It's not about grand, over-the-top displays. It's the little things that matter, like remembering your birthday or the anniversary of the first time you met. She might even surprise you with a book by your favorite author, or tickets to a band you mentioned liking months ago. These actions demonstrate that she's not only paying attention but also putting in the effort to show she cares. For instance, if she knows you love jazz, she might create a playlist of some classic and obscure jazz tracks for you to enjoy. Or maybe she's noticed you enjoy fine dining, so she books a table at a new restaurant that's received great reviews. These gestures are personalized. They're tailored to your interests and likes, showing that she values and respects your tastes and preferences. This level of attentiveness is a strong sign of her interest. It shows she's invested in making you happy and wants to enrich your life with experiences that bring you joy. She's expressing her affection not just through words, but through actions that resonate with your personal likes and life. 3. Seeking emotional support. During tough times, if she turns to you instead of peers her own age, it's a strong signal of the trust and respect she holds for your maturity and life experience. This isn't about everyday woes. It's about those moments when she's genuinely vulnerable and chooses to lean on you for guidance and comfort. Consider this. When she's faced with a difficult decision or going through a personal crisis, and she reaches out to you for advice or simply a listening ear, it shows the depth of her regard for you. She values your perspectives not just because you're older, but because she believes your experiences have equipped you with wisdom that can help her navigate her own challenges. This level of emotional engagement creates a deeper bond between you two. It's more than just enjoying each other's company. It's about forming a supportive partnership where she feels safe to share her feelings and thoughts. The comfort she finds in your counsel not only shows her trust in you, but also indicates her interest in a more profound, lasting connection. So if you notice that she consistently seeks your support during significant moments, take it as a clear sign of her affection and respect. It's an indication that she sees you as a pillar in her life, an indicator of both trust and potential love. 4. Introducing you to friends and family. This step is more than just a casual meet and greet. It's a clear indicator she's seriously considering the relationship's potential. When she brings you into her personal circle, it shows she's proud to be associated with you and is likely evaluating how well you blend into her life. This isn't a move made on a whim. Bringing someone into your close circle is a statement. It says, "This person is important to me." Think about it. When she wants her friends and family to know you, it's because she respects and values your presence in her life enough to share it with others. This can also be a way for her to get feedback from the people she trusts the most, which is crucial when she's thinking about a future together. Moreover, how her circle reacts to you and how they see you interacting with her can also influence how she perceives the relationship moving forward. It's a big step that involves emotional investment and signifies a degree of commitment and seriousness about the relationship from her side. It's her way of saying you matter to her and that she's possibly looking to deepen the relationship even further. If you're engaged with the content of this video and curious about how you can personally benefit, our free 60-minute strategy call is your next step. This call will equip you with the tools to approach dating in a whole new light, focusing on long-term skills that will help you meet more women and date successfully. It's about building confidence that transcends dating and impacts your overall life. Reserve your spot now by clicking the link in the pinned comment. 5. Comfort with age differences. When a younger woman is comfortable discussing the age difference with an older man openly and without any embarrassment, it speaks volumes about her genuine acceptance and comfort within the relationship. This comfort level indicates that the age gap isn't just an afterthought. It's a part of the dynamic she acknowledges and embraces. Such openness typically means that any societal concerns about the age difference take a back seat to the relationship's positives. It shows that she views the age gap not as a barrier, but as an aspect that uniquely defines the partnership. Discussing it freely suggests she is secure in the relationship and believes it's strong enough to withstand external opinions. Moreover, this comfort with the age difference allows for a healthier relationship dynamic, where both parties can express concerns or discuss issues related to the age gap without fear of judgment. It creates a foundation for mutual understanding and respect, which are critical for navigating the complexities that come with differing life stages. When she can joke about the age gap or bring it up in conversation without discomfort, it's a clear indicator that she values what the older man brings into the relationship: experience, stability, and maturity, and sees these traits as assets rather than obstacles. So, if the woman you're seeing openly talks about the age difference and incorporates it into your conversations as a normal part of your relationship, take it as a strong sign that she's comfortable and secure with you and what you both share together. This level of acceptance is crucial for building a lasting bond. 6. Displays of jealousy. Jealousy, while often seen in a negative light, can actually reveal a lot about where she stands emotionally. If she seems uneasy or slightly possessive when other women are present, this can mean that she values the relationship highly and fears the possibility of competition. This doesn't have to manifest as dramatic scenes. It could be as subtle as her becoming quieter when other women join the conversation or showing a marked interest in who you talk to and how you interact with them. It's crucial to recognize that these displays aren't about control, but rather about insecurity and affection. She might worry that her older partner could find someone else who shares more in common with him age-wise, or perhaps she fears not being enough due to the age difference. These feelings can prompt her to seek reassurance that she is indeed important and valued in the relationship. Understanding and addressing these concerns gently can help strengthen the bond between you. If you notice these signs of jealousy, it's often beneficial to openly discuss feelings and insecurities. This not only reassures her of her valued place in your life, but also helps foster a healthier, more open relationship dynamic. For our bonus tip, a strong clue that a younger woman is deeply interested in an older man is her admiration for his life experience and maturity. This respect often signifies more than just a casual attraction. It reflects a profound appreciation for the wisdom and stability that come with age. When a younger woman values the insights and lessons that an older man shares, it's not merely about enjoying stories from a well-lived life. It's about seeing him as a source of guidance and inspiration, someone whose experiences can help shape her own decisions and worldview. This admiration creates a foundation of respect, crucial for any successful relationship, but especially significant in relationships with a notable age difference. This respect for maturity often translates into a desire for a long-term, stable relationship. If she talks about your maturity not as a barrier, but as one of the reasons she's drawn to you, that's a clear sign she's interested in the long haul. It indicates she's looking for more than just companionship. She seeks a partner whose life's journey adds depth and security to her own. So, if you notice that she consistently expresses respect for your life choices and the lessons you've learned along the way, consider it a major positive indicator. It means she values what you bring to the relationship beyond the superficial, and she's likely interested in building something that lasts. Keep this in mind as you gauge where her interests truly lie and how they might align with yours for a potentially fulfilling partnership. So now you know how to tell she wants more than friendship. What's next for you? Discover how to sense a younger woman's hidden desires, or learn the clear signs a woman is into you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.